Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Braylon here, and today I'm wishing you guys how to use thought bubbles on episode. So let's just get started. So basically all you want to write is you want to have parentheses, whatever you want your character to think, and then closing parentheses. So basically it's like this. So I'm going to have Sarah, and she's going to be flirt underscore shy. Oh wait. Flirt underscore shy, and then she's going to, and then we're going to have parentheses, and I'm going to say, Michael is so cute, Michael is so cute with his spiky hair, and then I'm going to have another clothing parentheses, and that's pretty much it. So it's very simple. It's not much to it. All you have to do is add parentheses, and then you're done. So I'm gonna go ahead and make this little scene, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm all done now, so let's just go ahead and see what that looks like. That's about it. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like it if you enjoyed it, and subscribe down below by clicking that red button. And don't forget to hit the bell after you do so, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.